So today we're going to make raisin cane sauce. To do this, what you need is a 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of ketchup, half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay? So, I always start with my mayonnaise and my ketchup. So scoop all that in my bowl. Nice and thoroughly. Okay. I'll do my ketchup. Now right here at this point, I like to go ahead and mix up my ketchup and my mayonnaise by themselves right now. Reason why, normally I make big batches, I like to make sure I got about the right shade of pink before I start seasoning it. So get that all mixed up good. Scrape the sides. I want no mayonnaise stuck on the sides. Okay. Now we got a little Worcestershire sauce. Dump that right on in. Our little garlic salt. And our black pepper. Now, I know myself personally, I enjoy using this on just about anything, you know, which is crawfish, chicken tenders. So once you mix that all nice and thoroughly, get the black pepper nicely dispersed them out. There you go. Raisin cane sauce. So after you finish, you can put it in a little dish like this, and you can use it to serve for others. Or if you want, you can put in a little 2-ounce container like this, and you can put it in the fridge for later. 1 cup of sauce will make 6 2-ounce servings. Thanks for joining us today, and tune in next time. After you're done, you can put your sauce in a little serving dish. Use it for dipping, or if you want to save it for later, you can have you some in a little, what you call this anyway?
A little closer this way. Let's start over.
Yeah, start over. So after you're done, you can put it in a little container to serve it, or you could put it in a dish to serve it.